Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for August 25th through September 6th. First of all, we're going to start off with Hurricane Lane. Okay, wait a minute. Let me get my here's the latest infrared satellite imagery. You can see the cold tops, the convection around here. You can see the eye. It's a very large eye. And the outflow is good to the north and to the east, restricted elsewhere, but you can see there's outflow here. And taking a look at the forecast tracks, this kind of worries me. It's passing south of the Big Island, but look at these other model tracks. Some of them bring it to continue south, some of them bring it over here. And then we take a look at this one. Here's Hawaii right here. Still missing most of the Big Island, but then affecting the other islands further down the road. Now we're going to look at the other models. You see, you can get here. Okay, this is European. Here's Lane here. Here's the Hawaiian Islands right here, if you can see it, just about. And I'll go into motion. And the European brings it to the westernmost islands, passing the Big Island. That's the European. Then we'll look at the GFS. Here's Hawaii right here. I don't know if you can see where the pointer is. And this is similar, but it's a little bit more to the east, just west of the Big Islands. But whatever it does, we're expecting heavy rainfall, and along with the terrain of Hawaii, which is very mountainous, that poses a threat for flash flooding. But Lane continues to move along this periphery of this ridge here, but then later on, it'll return to the northwest. Now, where and exactly when and where that turn to the northwest occurs, that'll depend on where this trough will develop further to the west. Will steer Lane more to the northwest. Could be later or it could be earlier. Now, also, sea surface temperatures are sufficient to sustain this hurricane. But if any weakening does occur, it'll be due to shear from the trough to the west of Lane. What else I want to show? Okay, here's the latest configuration. Here's Lane. And as of 2 p.m., it is, just got an update on it. As of 2 p.m., it still has 155 mile an hour winds, and it is a Cat 4. And then you can see that its forecast remain, let's see, Cat 4 through here, as it goes to the south and west of the Big Island, and then becomes a Cat 3. And then, if this is correctly, it'll be a Cat 2 going into the other islands. And then this is where it has it going more influenced by the trough. Now I'll take the satellite picture off. Maybe that'll be easier to see. Here's out Hawaiian Islands here. And most of the island is like under a hurricane watch or warnings. Okay, now we're going to go back to the regular forecast. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for August 25th to 29th. And here we are at the 25th. Now, the models remain in agreement that we'll have a trough here. A ridge here near the Aleutians, favoring a trough here. And we'll have a broad ridge expanding from the western Atlantic across the southern U.S. into the Mississippi Valley. And you look at the GFS. And there you can see, here's our broad ridge, ridge, trough here. And we're going to go to the 29th. You can see the trough even better. This is GFS. And then we take a look at the rest of the models. They show it very well. So during this forecast period, a frontal boundary along the southeast coast will result in numerous showers and storms. Several waves in the northern stream will also cause heavy convection from the northern plains to New England. Monsoonal activity will remain in the southwest. Temperatures will be above normal from the plains to the east, with anomalies of up to 10 degrees above normal, and cool temperatures are forecast for the northwest. August 25th to September 1st. You still see we have our ridge, trough, ridge configuration. Here's our ridge across here, trough. Miles to get an agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting. I went back to my own maps because I didn't like how the ensembles were showing the temperature anomalies. But I'm forecasting below normal temp. Oh, that's the wrong map. Okay, it doesn't matter because we're doing the same one. Below normal temperatures are forecast for this area here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 6 degrees below normal. And above normal temperatures forecast from the plains to the Atlantic coast, with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees are possible. For precipitation, okay, for a precipitation forecast and above normal precipitation for this area here, and forecasting probability of occurrence is 47%, and we have below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 47%. Now we're going to look at the period for September 2nd to the 6th. Here at the 2nd, and the pattern doesn't really change very much. We have a very strong ridge here, trough, ridge configuration. So for this forecast period, forecasting little change in temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, let's see. I'm forecast. Oh wait, it's supposed to be this one. Forecasting below normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 45%. And above normal precipitation forecast for here, the probability of occurrence is 45%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 25th through September 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.